Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find hidden apps on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So, you may come to your apps drawer and navigate through all the apps here. And notice that you cannot find all of your apps. So, there may be some apps you've installed, especially apps you have site loaded or third-party applications you've gotten from downloader on Chromecast. These apps may not pop up on this list. How do you work around that? So now we're going to move over to quick settings. We're going to go to our settings. Go ahead and find the apps. So if you go to apps, you find a list of apps here. These are the most recently used apps. So even if the app does not pop up there, if you recently used it, you find it on this list where it says recently opened apps. If you don't find the app there, go to see your apps and navigate down this list. So you're going to find that app somewhere here. So it's been alphabetical order. If you cannot find the app here still, then you may be looking for a system app which is embedded in the system. Go to show system apps and go down this list. You can find the Bluetooth application itself. You can find all of the apps that are embedded in the system that make Chromecast actually work. Even the download manager is here, the Google Play Store is here, and so on and so forth. So with these methods, you should be able to find apps that are hidden in the system. Now, if you found out useful, subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video.